Hey guys, today I will share with you Hi there, welcome to our channel. Today I will share with you this motion graphics big icon pack for Adobe After Effects. This is RAR file. You can download link in description. It's free. If you don't download this file, see below in description there have a video link how to download this RAR file. You see this video to know how to download this RAR file. Now I'm extract here this file. Extract is done. You can see there have 3 project file. You can use Adobe After Effects, CS5, CS5.5, and CC. I'm using CC, so I'm first open Adobe After Effects, then drag and drop on project panel. Now click here. You can see there are some folders, logo, animation, icons, and more. First I am showing the icons. Okay, there are 5 previews. I'm creative new comp and showing you this icon package, no plugins required. Logo animations, 328 icons, divided in categories, modular structure, full color controls, easy to use. Music for logo 1 Taco logo, Music Stone Lab free version of Hero font. So now I'm open one by one on my project. You can see this, there have so many category like banners and badges, buildings, business, construction, education, energy, entertainment, finance, food and kitchen, graphics and charts, marketing and SEO, science and medical, sports technology, transportation, and unique. So now I'm open food and kitchen. There are so many project. I'm dragging on my timeline this cake project. This is very cool animation. Then this fruit. You can use on your project like this. And wow, it's really cool animation. So the icon is shown. So let's see the logo now. I clicked on the logo animation here, then I opened it by double clicking on animation logo 1. So now I'm changed the logo. So look at the timeline, there is a project logo comp. So here I double clicked, then a new tab opened. I can change the logo. You can bring your logo here or use the text. So I'm showing how to do this. Select text and I'm typing F. I'm thinking this is my logo and I'm changing my logo color. And also change font. There have 1, color control solid, on timeline. Click this and see all color. Now you can change the color as you like. I hope you understand how to use these. If you don't understand, please let us know in the comments. We will make a video accordingly and show you. Well, this was today's tutorial, so if you like it, be sure to subscribe to the channel and share the video. Thanks.